particular point of this, we're able to achieve to this point. So let me run it, whereby we're able to create this buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but there's still a lot of other buttons that are missing. So that's basically what we are going to do in this session of this GUI calculator. So they're not really more different. I'm just going to copy all this. I'm just going to copy minus. So let me just try paste a whole bunch of them. So first I want to edit here. I want to call it divide. So this divide, let me just copy it, so let me paste it here. So what I'm going to do, I want to tweak the row and the column. So let's say I want it to be somewhere around 6, 6, 4. So it's going to be in 6, meaning it's going to be in row 6. And then the next one to also do is for multiplication. I can call it multi. And I also forgot the sign to be divide. Okay, there's another thing I want us to do, which is that for the multiplication. So let me also do for multiplication. So this multiplication, I want multiplication to be in 7 and 4, to be in the same row with that of our button 0. So it's going to be 7 and 4. And next one I want to do is decimal, which is our decimal point. So let me just copy this. So here it's supposed to be asterisk, and I can just say times, doesn't matter. So here I can say here is going to be our decimal point, so which is going to be our point. So point, and I want it to be decimal. I want it to be somewhere around 7.3. So I can put 7 and 3. So make sure you take note of all the column that we're actually implementing here. So you just making just the row and column just to specify them where you want them to be. It can be of your choice. No, must it might be what I inputted here. So let me comment this remaining ones and let's run it to see how far we've gotten. You can see this is where we have gotten to the point. So it's mainly something that I'm going to put here. So another thing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. I have the plus, the minus, divide, dot, and then the times. So let's also add for other ones too. Add for that of the equal sign, because currently we don't have equal sign right now. So let me just say equal sign, which is this equal sign. Let me make it equal. So change it. Our equal sign, let's assume it's going to be in that of colon 7, sorry, row 7, and that of colon 2, and which is after this of the other guys. So let me move it up. So let's also do for that of to clear what we have entered before. So I'm going to take this clear out of clear, so clear, copy it, and then change it to clear. Remember here it's going to be equal decimal. So I want this clear to be somewhere around row 8. Row 8 is going to be after our button 0, and I want the column to be in column 1. So let me run this. So let's see how far we've gotten. So as you can see here, so what will actually remaining next is to delete. I need to change this. Christ, how did I put this in here? So I'm going to say clear. It's not going to take effect till I run this again. So you can see I have the clear here, and next one is to know what clear is, to wipe out everything. So next one I want to do is for what to delete. Here I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. I'm going to say what delete. It's not a must. You might give it any name of any variable name of your choice. It's not a must. It must be what I named it. So I want it to be also be in that of row 8, but in column 2. So let's run it again. So you can see looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 0 equals to point, stand, divide, minus, plus, clear. What do I have clear? That's to be delete. So it's going to be what? Del. In most calculator, let's just set it to del. And also this negative sign here, it looks like decimal point. So let me just make it something a little bit longer. Where is that guy? Which is minus. Let me try making it 2 minus. Hope it will look bad. Yeah, sorry, it looks bad. But I can see clear there, everything take effect. As of now, let me just change it to. Can see as of now, those buttons are not going to do anything. But when we create a function that is going to, and when we click on them, something is going to happen on there. These buttons seem to be really much, but since you can get the idea behind it, it's not really hard here to understand. So I think this is where we are going to stop in this video. This is what we're able to achieve to complete of our setting of our button to make it really look good this way. So next thing we're going to do is to actually start doing creating of the function that's going to handle all these clicking on button, because if we click on button, nothing is actually happening here, nothing gets added to this place. So you can see nothing is happening. In the next video, that's basically what we are going to do. So I think this is where we are going to draw the curtain for this video. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.